Today we took notes on hearing, which is another one of the 5 senses you possess. So in your book, in the senses section, you should have a page that's titled Hearing that has this picture. And again, I just wanted to include this picture so you could kind of have a visual of what we're going to be talking about. So I'm going to go through the first 3 questions on there, and you can just write them down. So the first question is, what causes sound? And sound is essentially caused by changes in air pressure. And this pressure is caused by vibrations. Humans can hear 20 to 20,000 vibrations a minute. That seems like a lot. It's not. Animals such as dogs and dolphins, there's a couple others, can hear way more than that. So they have better hearing than we do. Okay, number 2, how do messages get from your ear to your brain? So if you look back at this picture, the outside of your ear, this part that you see, that's basically designed to catch these air waves and these air pressures. You don't actually hear in this part of your ear. The hearing is interpreted all the way up here and into your brain. So the shape of your ear catches the waves. Then they enter your eardrum, and they touch these, we'll call them middle ear bones. And these vibrate. Your auditory nerve then picks up on those vibrations and passes it along to your brain. And then your brain interprets the vibrations and tells you what you're hearing. Okay, number 3, what are common hearing problems? The main one is deafness. Deafness is usually caused by disease or old age. Deafness is also caused by a loss of hearing frequency, which you usually get as you get older. So if you go to my website, if you watch this How Old Are Your Ears, it'll play different frequencies so you can see how good your hearing is based on your age. And then, if you've ever heard a ringing in your ear, this is the sound of neurons dying. It sounds kind of harsh, but neurons inside of your ear and your auditory nerve are being damaged for whatever reason, age, you listen to something too loud, and that's the sound of them dying. So whenever you hear that ringing in your ears, that symbolizes that whatever sound damaged your ears or whatever is causing the problem, you will no longer be able to hear that wavelength. And that sounds scary, but it's not. If you can hear 20 to 200 or 20,000 vibrations, you're really only losing one of those frequencies. So it's not that big of a deal. If it happens over and over again, then it's a problem. And then solutions, basically hearing aids. You can, there are surgeries you can get, but usually the hearing aids, they're advanced enough to be able to allow you to hear. Next, we did some experiments If you go to the website again and click on experiments, I'll also attach it here. You'll see the experiments that we did, and you're welcome to do them on your own to help you answer the rest of the questions.